Hi guys, Tina Sterling here again. I am so excited to be coming to you today to tell you about how you can buy an investment or a second home here on 30A, Destin, Miramar Beach, Panama City, you name it, and I can get you in. If you are ready to let the renters pay for their short-term rental to pay your house payment and your investment payment and to build up your equity, I'm the one that's going to tell you how to do that today. First thing we want to do is find out what area of the beach you want to be in. Do you want Destin? Do you want Miramar? Do you want Caroline? Do you want Panama City? We're going to pick the most favorite place that's going to make you excited about coming on vacation when you're in your home. The rest of the time, we're going to let someone else live in it. Learn how to short-term rent it. We'll let them pay the rent every week, every day, every night on VRBO, Airbnb, or with one of our amazing boutique rental companies here on the beach. And as they pay the payment, it builds your equity. You can get in, and it's easier than what you think. Give me a call, text me, email me, because I'm always ready to talk about real estate.